Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first gun in Dying Light. While melee combat is central, firearms offer a significant advantage against tougher foes. You'll typically acquire your first gun later in your journey, specifically by completing a crucial side quest. This quest is not available immediately, so focus on progressing through the main story first. Be patient, as the reward is well worth the effort. To begin your quest for firearms, you must first reach the Central Loop region in the game's main story. Once there, keep an ear out for a radio call that will trigger the Lost Armory side quest. This is your gateway to ranged weaponry. After accepting the quest, make your way to the Fish Eye Canteen, where you'll meet a new agent named Jai, who will guide you through the initial steps. The Lost Armory quest is quite extensive, requiring you to gather several GRE codes from various locations. Be prepared for challenging encounters as you navigate military zones and abandoned facilities. Once you successfully complete this lengthy mission, you will be rewarded with your very first firearm, a powerful service pistol. Additionally, completing the quest unlocks Jai as a dedicated vendor, allowing you to purchase more guns and much-needed ammunition. Remember that ammunition for your firearms is a precious resource, so always use it strategically. Save your shots for special infected or heavily armored human enemies. To expand your arsenal, continue completing Jai's survivor missions, as these will unlock a wider variety of guns for purchase at his shop. Also, keep an eye out for military convoys and abandoned GRE facilities, as these locations often contain valuable weapon and ammunition caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.